elevator.
Where?
At this building. Yeah, but I want to go in.
Okay, hold on. Wait till they're out. Sure, if you say so. Okay. Thank you. Oh.
Which floor are you going to?
You can't pass it. You gotta...
Which floor are you going to?
He's going to 14. No.
I want to go into 20.
You need a special pass for that one, pal.
19.
No, you see, Griffin? That's what he was talking about.
Maybe 18.
You need a special pass.
Maybe 18 could work.
You're pretty tricky, right?
Oh, come on. Why are you going up to every floor?
She's not.
What are you going to? 14?
18.
Oh,
I need to go
my.
to 18 because those floors don't work.
He thinks there should be an express elevator just for him.
Well, that would be pretty good, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Who's that in your hand, mister? What do you call that train?
It's just slippery.
What do you call the train in your hand? Oh, we're getting there.
We're getting 14.
Yeah. Floor 14? Who's that red train? Griffin, who's the red train?
DieselDucy.
That's not DieselDucy. Show me the name on the bottom.
I think it's pretend DieselDucy.
Okay.
You are at the 18th floor. Let's get out.
Okay, we'll see what's there. 18th floor, Pteranodon Terrace. Oh, there we are. Pteranodon Terrace.